Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to create an account in Vantage. So all you need to do is open any browser and then search for Vantage and then open the first link and then press on register. And then it will ask you, do you want to open a live account with email or with phone number? You just can choose which one you want. I will choose email, and then we put the email, create a password, and then if we are referred by who, and then if you are not a US citizen, you just press on this and this also, and then create an account. And then it will ask you to verify your email. You can just open your email and take the verification code. After you finish the verification, you can use your Vantage account. I hope you will find this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.